The Judicial Branch. The judicial branch of the government is made up of the court system. There is the Supreme Court and other federal courts. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the United States and is the head of the judicial branch. The Supreme Court. The judicial branch explains the meaning of the Constitution and the laws passed by Congress. It does this by deciding on very important court cases. The Supreme Court rules whether something is constitutional or unconstitutional, meaning it is permitted by the United States Constitution. The judges. The judges, or justices, are not elected by the people like the president is. They are appointed or chosen by the president and then have to be approved by the Senate. They hold their positions for the rest of their life, meaning they can only be removed from their position when they die or resign.